powerful is the DCF 504, and how can you get it for just $70? This is the 1/4 inch version. We just drove this lag. You're not going to believe how big it is for just a 12 volt tool. So we're looking at the breakaway torque and also the driving. Up next, let's go with the specs. Going right in that knot. That looks like it for that. Wow, and it spins it. Let's try it again. Let's put it in reverse. A little struggle. Keep in mind we can always get this thing spinning and then put it down on the fastener for some extra breakaway torque. We haven't had to do that yet, but I suspect we're going to need to with these bigger lags. This is the new Ryobi 4-volt ratchet. Charges on USB. We've got a 2.5 inch construction screw with no pilot holes. Here we go. Don't buy this piece of crap. Fully charged battery. It's just a piece of junk. Okay, so it does have plenty of torque. Now, I think we all know these tools aren't designed for this, but we are absolutely pushing this to the limit. Let's go with the bigger one and see if we can make it happen. So where these tools don't make it an actual torque, they do make it with manual. Can we break it? Well, wow. With ease. That's gonna go too. Yeah. Now, how can you get it for $70? Instead of going to regular Amazon, type in Amazon outlet. Here, you're going to type in DeWalt Ratchet. We're going to scroll down. There's one for $88. That's 3/8. Keep going. $70, 1/4 inch ratchet. That's the exact one that we got. Bought it yesterday. It was here today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think.